Go.
It does stink.
Chocolate. It smells bad over here.
Victoria.
You're probably gonna get it.
Jacob.
That was a cross.
Across.
Ew, that
This
looks
is gonna be
bad.
better than the last piece, people.
Ew.
Not again.
You and that vinegar.
You
and
get
that
something
vinegar.
every
This
night.
isn't chocolate. Jubilee. Oh, it tastes Worcester.
Worcestershire.
Oh.
What is it with the soy sauce?
Maybe they want to have Chinese night at their house and you're taking all their soy sauce.
Six condiments.
Take a different one.
Okay,
No. You got it.
Joel.
Okay, thanks for saying my name.
Ooh.
Tears up. I'm gonna feel so
Please,
bad
everyone
if it
put the
bangs on you.
chocolate on.
Tears up, please. Move faster.
Move
Move
it.
faster.
Move it. Okay, Julia.
But don't get
Oh no.
Jack, ew. Not.
No.
Vic.
Oh man!
Why would you want to do
Oh!
That's mine. You can't.
All right.
Action, that's why.
Gotta take just a tiny bite. It's not like, hey, let's throw up time. It's just take a tiny bite.
Let's go.
Take a tiny bite.
Vic, I have a fork and
A
knife.
lot of calories I don't want to consume.
Vic,
One bite won't kill you. Hopefully.
do we scare the baby?
Vic already will kill you.
Oh, okay. All right. Here we go.
Your face. Oh, this looks like not okay.
It doesn't.
Okay.
Think of it as
Toast got
toast.
eaten.
Yeah, it's just French toast.
With
Chocolate.
Chocolate. French toast and
French
chocolate.
toast.
Mmm, yummy.
We'll swallow it. Come on, it's like in Survivor.
Yeah.
You gotta try. If you can't, chuck it. But if you can, do it.
Come on, Victoria.
If you can't, chuck it. Yeah.
it tastes really bad.
Good enough for me. All right, everybody back out there.
Yeah.
Nice job. Okay, hey, Vic and Ethan,
Yes.
come over here.